guys, I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're having an amazing Monday. I'm with my family today.
Good morning.
So we're going out to an event and we're taking you guys with us. So stay tuned. I will be updating you guys as soon as we reach. Guys, they're doing a seatbelt test. Let me show you. Alright, let's see. Okay, this is actually quite scary, guys. Oh my god.
That's why you wear a seatbelt, bro.
Yeah, I'm scared for the guy.
That's pretty cool. Roller coaster.
Okay, who's on it next?
Next, go on.
Yeah, because you're gonna smash your legs. Oh no!
Are you convinced? Well, it's like a roller coaster.
How are you feeling? Okay?
I mean, that I understand the seatbelt thing now. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Okay, guys, so we just came here with my mom. Yeah, we're gonna go sit down. So let's go. Guys, wait. You need to like bring your head down more.
Yes.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Actually, wait, more down. A little bit left.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean that looks real. You know, people can use that, bro. Okay, you can get out now. You can get out.
I got my license.
Yeah, he got his
the bike license?
You already have the bike license.
I do have the bike license.
Yeah. Guys, look at this board. You'll see our pictures. Wait, this is Mo. And I'm there with Mommy. Wow. Mommy, you're also there. Look. Wait, you're wearing the mask. My mom was trying to get the bike license here. Did you got your license, Mommy? No, you didn't. She's gonna kill me. So we had fun today. Alright, let's go.
Car keys.
Okay guys, so today we had fun and yeah, he needs to go back to sleep. He's not slept and that's why. Okay, now look, some cool stuff is gonna happen tomorrow. So stay tuned. I don't want to say it until we're actually doing it, so you know, be like a surprise. So yeah, hold on. Tomorrow morning, early morning, you're gonna see some cool activities. So hang in there, guys.
Attack hole.
Okay, guys, we're home with the family. We started the day early. My brother is with Sparky.
Oh no. Oh no.
Normally this one's the fighter. Look at her tail, she's happy. They're like similar cats and dogs. When they're happy, they always wave their tails like that, you see? Okay guys, I really want to go and eat some food. She doesn't want to get off. Can I please go have some lunch? Like look, she's so comfortable. She's like, no, you cannot leave, Mom. It's like, no. You see her tail? My head hurts, guys. When I got home, I hit my head. You can see the bump. It's like It's a bit painful. So you know, when she sits on my lap, she doesn't want to get off. I need to go. Maybe she says she doesn't like to be like given. She's like, don't bribe me, I guess. She got upset that I'm trying to make her go. I swear, I love you. I didn't mean it in any way. Like, I love you. But I just needed a break. See, it feels better, right?